hope you're ready to quit that 9-to-5 job because with how much money we've been making in the stock market, I know back in the day they said that annual, profit was 11% on the market. But we got portfolios up over 100%. So if you're looking to quit that 9-to-5, I'll say the time is now.
1,000, 2,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother. And my brother. 𝙎𝙚𝙬 I get it with my brother. Okay.
What is good, YouTube? It is your motherfucking boy, 𝙎𝙚𝙬. I'm here on this lovely, it's the evening where I'm at, but you're watching this in the daytime. So it's another beautiful day. Hope you had a miraculous, marvelous, fantastic motherfucking day or night, wherever you're at in the world. I hope it was great for you. What I have for you today are some stocks that are going to be hot this week. I am Miss Cleo, and I'm Professor X. I'm thinking of what's to come in the future. Right now I have about 4 plays for you. 1, 2, 3, 4 plays for you, and I'll throw one in just because I heard about it. So maybe 5 for you. All right, you don't need to. What I'm doing also, again, we gave away some money last week. I know you were there to see it on Friday. It was a blessing. Gave away another $250. But when the giveaways come, it seems like they're coming almost every week. I'm just giving you clues, and you're going to probably have to watch to the end of the video, maybe the middle of the video. You have to pay attention to the video to know when the giveaway is, what time it will be, how to enter it. I mean, it's probably going to have something to do with the Discord. Just giving you a clue. So with that being said, I got some plays for you. I want you to feed them wallets, and I want you to empty them cubicles. We're not being in the cubicles no more because we're getting paid. We're getting paid to invest our money, just like the bank does when we're not there. You feel me? So with that being said, let's jump into our devices and let's get these stocks going. So you see, your device won't look like this, but you see when we go to the numbers page, you see we are up according to public, and that's a good sign. So the first stock we're going to start with is a sleeper. You see right here I have something pending. It is VIOT. And you've seen I had it pending because I placed an order for that this morning. I'm very excited to talk about this one. This one is, to me, a sleeper. I had to talk about it first. I'm very, very curious to see how it's going to perform. I mean, wow. Look at the numbers. As you see, almost 50% on the day. On the week, almost 80%. On the month, 121+%. And so this company right here is a holding company which engages in the operation of developing and selling Internet of Things enabled smart home products. It offers oven steamer, range hood, refrigerator, water purifier, and washing machine. It offers oven steamer, range hood, refrigerator, water purifier, and washing machines. So they have a shit ton to do with technology, home appliances. When I see that, my eyes just light up because it's like, we have Alexandra. I can't say her short name because she'll turn on. We have all these at-home devices that are popping right now. What better time to see some technology than right now? And with the numbers we just saw, they're obviously doing something right. Stockholders are having field days raking in money with this. So I want to tell you some other stuff about it. With Viot, it is traded more bullishly than 81% of stocks over the last month in its sector. It has risen up over almost 55% in the past month. And the crazy thing about it is that it's super affordable. So when you're looking at this, whatever time you see in the video, I'm filming this video, 7 o'clock on a Sunday, 7 o'clock p.m. So right now we don't have pre-market in public, you feel me, or after hours. So right now it says $15.88. I just put in $120 in this, $125. So that's what I'm going to be getting in. If you have extra capital, this may be a stock you want to check out. I'm giving you the heads up. I don't know how else to lead you to the late. This is one I'm checking out. I'm so curious in this. Stumble across this, and I think we're gonna feast off of this one. So check this out. Let me know if you're interested in it. And at number 2, aka numero dos, we have what y'all already know, CCIV. Y'all heard about it. It's been all over the place. People are talking about it. They have finally decided to do their merger with Lucid and Churchill combining together. As you see on the day where it shows that it's down 9%. On the week up almost 70%. That's 67.9%. On the month, almost 200%. Like this is what we're doing here. So I think this is kind of like I think this is like another beautiful play in the EV sector that's going to be up there with Tesla and NIO. So this one right here, what about Churchill, that company itself, is that it engages in the operation of blank checks. It is formed with the purchase of an effective merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization of similar business combination with one or more businesses. And some other information I found out about it is, again, obviously it says they're hot as lava right now because they are set to announce their merger with Churchill Capital. This is Lucid I'm referring to. Lucid, Churchill merger. The valuation of Lucid would then be $15 billion, which is actually $3 billion higher than it was last week. So this is huge. And in addition, Churchill had a nerve to go out and raise they're raising funding right now, another $1 billion to really seal the merger properly, to finance the merger. So this is huge news if you ask me. If you have extra money and you have the capital, we have to get into this position at a solid entry point. If it was down Friday, let's get in now. It's time to shop. Let's get them carts out. You feel me? It's time to shop because 52.90, what happens when it gets to 152.90, you know? So this is Churchill Capital. This is Churchill Capital, which is merging with Lucid. All right? So that's my number 2 play. All right, at numero tres, we have Zedge. I remember this application. It's on the iPhone. It has some cool wallpapers. Zedge is, I think, it's primarily used on Androids, the big rectangle, those big, huge block cell phones that don't have FaceTime. Nah, but yeah, Zedge right here is doing well. It's eating. So you see right here on the day, it's up 10%. On the week up 7.5%, and on the month up almost 80%. So look at the affordability of this stock. It is $13.80. So we can really load up right here. You can really load up, get your position, trailing stop loss to really protect yourself. And as you see, the stock is booming. And a little about it is that it engages in the provision of content platforms for smartphone personalization. The firm enables its consumers to personalize their mobile devices with free ringtones, wallpapers, home screen widgets, apps, icons, and notification sound. Its users can access this content via the smart app. So this is dope. Another thing about Zedge is that it is the top of the software application industry. This right now is ranking higher than 79% of the stocks in this sector. So it's a big dog. You hear me? It's like the LeBron KD of this. And it has increased numbers every week, as you see, every month. And then analysts are all over. They're talking about it. So the people we shop with, they're not all in the public eye. What's all we find plays that are underdogs that end up being plays, and we end up eating off of them. So I want y'all to keep that in mind. We find the plays that other YouTubers aren't having, other people aren't having, and this right here is Zedge, very affordable. So I would advise you to go check it out. All right, and fourth. Last, all right, we have Yala, and Yala, which is YALA ticker symbol. This right here is up 4%. It is $28.38. On the week, it was down. It's a rough week. First off, let's not worry about it because on the month, it was up 53%. 3 months, almost 200%, 189%. So this stock right here is growing and booming, as you see. A little about the company is that it operates a voice-centric social networking and entertainment platform, mainly in the Middle East and North Africa region. Its platform allows individual users free access to the basic functions on the platform. The firm also provides enhanced experiences for individual users by sales of virtual items and provision of upgrade services on the platform. So whenever I think about this, I think about international plays, which I already have several of, so I know some of you are skeptical, like, oh man, I don't know enough. But think about this. Jumia, I believe that is like the Amazon of like Africa. That stock is crazy. It's been going fire ever since I got it. This was months ago. So you have to open your mind up, do a little research on it, and realize that just because it's not in America or just because you're not familiar with it does not mean that the stock will not pop. It could be a company that makes the buttons for the iPhone case. It doesn't matter whatever the unfamiliarity is that you have with it. You feel me? Just go out, research it, and check it out. Because Yala, as you see, is booming. I believe if you have some capital, you can toss it in here with what? Trailing stop loss. So if you have some extra capital, I suggest you toss it in here, check out Yala, but get yourself a trailing stop loss. But keep checking it, okay? Just keep checking it. We're going to manifest that it goes up. I apologize for the noise in the background. Roommates putting away dishes. But you have to understand that this is going to go up. This is the stock market. Everything will correct itself. There's no need to fret about it going down for a day or two and then you, what? Be cool, be smooth, and understand that this is going to go up. The stock market will fix itself. The only way to lose is if you sell. And just as an added bonus, just because you watch to the end, I love you and I appreciate you. I'll tell you about another ticker symbol I've been investigating, and that is AMBC. AMBC. It had pretty solid numbers, kind of similar to Yala. Not many headlines all over the place, but just the way it was trending, I was watching it. I think it's going to be beautiful. That is ticker symbol AMBC. I wanted to throw that in there just because you watched to the end, and I love you. You understand what I'm saying? You know that. I hope you love these plays. I hope you like them. I hope you check them out. I hope you're doing some research for yourself too. You know what I mean? I'm leading you to the lake. This is what I do. I cannot make you drink. You cannot force someone to drink. You have to do the research on your own. Find out the best way to invest for yourself. I have a special video coming out this week as well, showing you my new investment strategy. I have a new strategy in which I'm going to try it for a whole month. All right? Something you're going to stick around and see. I'm showing you both my portfolios in public as well as Robinhood. I'm going to show you all the stocks that I have, all the positions. You know how that should go. I'm going to be depositing a consistent amount every week, staying disciplined, and then putting a certain amount in options, putting a certain amount in my portfolio. We'll discuss that in another video, but just got to give a special shout out to the Discord. I love y'all. Thank you for always being amazing. Because you want to know why? If you're in the Discord, you already got these plays yesterday. You didn't have to wait. You didn't have to fuss. You don't have to get on YouTube, but I still appreciate you being on YouTube. Make sure you check the Discord out because it's a family over there. You have questions that need to be answered. I've been blessed enough to talk to thousands of you, so why don't you go talk to the family of thousands over there rather than DM me your individual questions, because that's a family of people that can help you when maybe I'm out busy doing something or creating plays for you all, you know? All right? Okay, good. Well, we had that talk. I feel better. I love you. Hope you have a great day. Great evening, wherever the hell you're at. Stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy, and all that other good shit. You did.